Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on setting up your own voice automated AI content system. In this tutorial, we will walk through step by step how to create a seamless automation process using various platforms and tools. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure to join the following platforms. First of all, you should have a Make account. This is where we create our automation workflows. And the second thing you need to have is a Dropbox account. So in this Dropbox account, we will upload the audio files to be processed. And then we should have an Airtable database. That's where we create our database and store new posts. Also, you should have an OpenAI or ChatGPT account. And also, we should have a Perplexity AI account. First of all, let's set up Airtable database for our automation purpose. So to create an Airtable database, you have to go to airtable.com and click on create new database. From here you can select start from scratch. First of all, we need to rename our database. So here I am renaming it as AI Voice Content Assistant. So you can enter whatever the name you like. And now we have to rename the table. Here I am renaming the database as AI Voice to Content. So whatever the name you like, you can edit here. Now we have to rename our table. So I am renaming it as AI Voice to Content. Click on Save. And you can see Airtable has already created 4 columns by default. Either we can delete all of these columns and create new one, or we can just change it to whatever we like. And here you can see there is 3 rows. We can just delete all of these records and create new records. For our automation, we should have 3 different columns. The first one is the audio transcript, and the second one is the Instagram post column, and the third one is Instagram image. So the first one we will edit. So we will edit the name of this to audio transcript. And select long text as the option. And the next column we need is Instagram post. This one also long text. Click Save. And the third column is Instagram image, which is an attachment column. So this column will have file attachments. So we don't need this column, we can just right click and delete field. So the next thing we need to do is setting up Dropbox. Go to dropbox.com. In Dropbox, create a new folder called AI Voice to Content. Click on create, and then you will have a new folder called AI Voice to Content. So next we need to create an OpenAI API key. To do that, go to openai.com. From here, select API login, choose your account and sign in. From here, click on API. From this drawer menu, you can see API keys option. Click on API keys and then create a new secret key from here. So the next thing we need to create is a Perplexity API key. Visit to perplexityai.com, and from here you can see the settings tab. Click on settings and API. You need to set up your payment, and then you should be able to create your API key for Perplexity AI. So let's set up make.com scenario. Now click this link and download the blueprint to import in our scenario. So let's go to make.com and click on create a new scenario. From this more button, we need to click on import blueprint, and then you need to choose the file you just downloaded. So let's select the file and click save. It will import the entire workflow in your make.com scenario. You just need to replace the connection with your existing connections, or you need to add your connections, and then you are ready to run this automation scenario. As you can see here, first of all, we have a Dropbox connection. So you need to click on this add button to add your Dropbox connection. Click save, and next you need to select the folder you need to watch. So as you remember, we created a folder called AI voice to content. We need to select that folder and set the limit to whatever you like. For example, if the limit is 2, it will bring the last 2 audio files from the Dropbox. Here we are downloading the audio file from Dropbox to work with our automation. Here we have an audio transcription module, that is whisper 1, and we are giving the prompt as transcribe this word for word, and we are passing the file into this module. And next we are creating a prompt for Perplexity to get the latest information for this Instagram post. As you can see here, we have all the content set up, and you just need to add your connection to work on this module. So click on add, and here you need to paste the API key you just copied from the previous steps, and then click save to add your OpenAI connection to your make.com account. Here we have the Perplexity AI model. It will find the latest news from internet related to the prompt or the audio we have given. So you need to select your connection. If you don't have the connection, you can click on add and paste your API key, and then click save to add your connection to make.com. And in the next module, we have message and assistant. So actually you should have this assistant created in your OpenAI.com. So I will share the prompt for creating the assistant for this automation. As you can see, this is the prompt for your AI assistant in OpenAI. Copy this prompt and paste it to a new AI assistant in OpenAI and name it as Instagram assistant. Once you did that, you can click on this assistant and choose the assistant you like. So here I am selecting Instagram caption assistant. Click OK. And then here we are creating a prompt for the image we need to create for this Instagram post. As you can see, I have selected my connection and I have given the prompt to create a prompt for DALL-E to create the image. As you can see, here we have selected the DALL-E 3 module and giving the prompt we created from the last ChatGPT module. In the last step, we need to create the new record in our AirTable base. Let's go ahead and select your base from AirTable you just created before. And then you have to select the table, and that's it. So the audio transcript is matched from the whisper output, and the Instagram post is from this message and assistant module. And here we are passing the image into Airtable as an attachment. Now we have set up everything, so we just need to click save, and then we can run this automation. If you need to watch for audio files in your Dropbox every 15 minutes, you can turn on this schedule. So it will watch every 15 minutes for new audio files in your Dropbox. Once there is a new audio file is uploaded, it will create a new Instagram post and also an image for the Instagram post. If you have successfully created this automation, you will see the audio transcript in your Airtable and the Instagram post here, and also the image for the Instagram post. Now we have successfully created the automation workflow. That's it for today, and now you know how to create your voice automated AI content system. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.